Okay, I'm birthing a baby. And filming. That's a brand new baby right there. We're gonna break the birth sac. Good girl, Lulu. Okay. Check that out. Okay, new baby. Hey, you're so warm. Hey, new baby. Need some towels, babe. Can you bring it to me real quick? Okay, that's not quick enough. It's choking. Hang on, Lulu, it's okay. Hang on, Lulu. There you go. There you go, Lulu. Good girl. Brand new baby. Okay. Good girl, Lulu. He's got spots on him. Look at the spots on this one. Come here. He's white with black spots.
Oh, that's cute.